morning, ma'am. Before starting the interview, let me introduce myself and my guest. My name is Husnotima. I'm a university student in the management program at University of Asia Cyber, class MG 101. Beside me, this is Mr. Gilang Aji Gautama, an English teacher at SMP Negeri 1 Comal, Pemalang. Good morning. Thank you for taking your time to attend this interview. How are you today?
I'm really fine, but beside that, I'm late because there is a traffic jam in the road.
Okay, that's not a big problem. Can we start the interview?
Of course, please.
Alright, the topic of our interview is to discuss English language lessons and the development of foreign languages in Indonesia. In your opinion, how important is it for students to learn English?
Oh yes, I think it's very important. There are several reasons. One of them is English is a global language throughout the world, and apart from being a mandatory curriculum in Indonesia, in fact, programming computer use English. In this digital era, if student cannot speak English, it will be more difficult to adapt to this industry today.
Okay, then how far students have to understand English?
I don't think they don't need to reach the advanced level. At least you can understand the basic, such as noun, verb, adjective, and that's all. Also, be able to communicate better with the people. You don't have to master the grammar, just need to basic level, and you must practice with other people using the language English.
Okay, that's alright, sir. Nowadays, the world is increasingly competitive. In fact, on average, applicants must be able to speak English. So, apart from English, do you think other foreign languages are also important?
If we look the priority, clearly English is the most important. However, mastering the other language is also an added value to yourself. Even better if you can be a multilingual. Moreover, learning media is now very plentiful and easy. Like such as you can study via YouTube or Duolingo.
Indeed. Then, in Indonesia itself, has foreign language learning developed well?
If in that case, we have to look the data from the Ministry of Education. Based on my observation, now quite a lot of Indonesian people are learning foreign language, not only English, even autodidactly via YouTube and the Duolingo, yeah. Moreover, there is a lot of social media using English now.
Okay, so there's no reason not to learn a foreign languages nowadays. Easy learning media can be accessed anytime, real time, and anywhere.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, sir, I think that's enough for our interview. Thank you for coming to our invitation.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
Okay, so ma'am, that's our interview discussing about English lessons and foreign language development in Indonesia. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I want to perform a presentation about English lessons and the development of foreign languages in Indonesia based on my interview results with my source or my guest. His name is Mr. Gilang Aji Gautama, an English teacher at SMP Negeri 1 Comal, Pemalang. Okay, the interview results are the number one, the importance of English lessons, and then how far students must learn English, and the development of foreign languages in Indonesia. This is the main topic we discussed about. Topic 1, the importance of English lessons. In Mr. Gilang Aji Gautama's opinion, English is a global language all over the world. As we know that we communicate all over the world using English. When we study abroad, we communicate using English. When we on vacation all over the world, we also use English. And then English is a mandatory curriculum in Indonesia. Then almost every electronic or digital tools are using English, such as computer programming, home appliances, games, etc. They need English skill. The next topic we discussed is how far students must learn English. At first, students at least can understand the basic level, such as noun, adjective, and tenses, simple tense, past tense, future tense. There's no need to reach advanced level, except for people who did some qualification of certain job applications. That certain job of application are engineering, doctor, international hotel, receptionist, or English teacher. They need mastering advanced level. I'm sorry. And the last is the development of foreign languages in Indonesia. Uh, we should look at the data of the development of foreign languages in Indonesia. It must be referred to the Ministry of Education data. But as we know, many Indonesian people learn foreign languages by themselves via YouTube, Duolingo application, and social media. There are so many influencers that teach us about foreign languages, English, Spanish, French, etc. Other foreign languages besides English are also important. It can be of value added for us who mastering that. And the conclusion based on our interview, the first is English. English is the most important foreign language because it's a global language. People all over the world basically need to understand English. And then foreign languages, besides English, other foreign languages are also important and can be an added value for people who mastering them. Okay, that's enough for my presentation, Neda. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Before starting the interview, let me introduce myself and my guest. My name is Husnotima. I'm a university student in the management program at University of Asia Cyber, class MG 101. Beside me, this is Mr. Gilang Aji Gautama, an English teacher at SMP Negeri 1 Comal, Pemalang. Good morning. Thank you for taking your time to attend this interview. How are you today?
I'm really fine, but beside that, I'm late because there is a traffic jam in the road.
Okay, that's not a big problem. Can we start the interview?
Of course, please.
Alright, the topic of our interview is to discuss English language lessons and the development of foreign languages in Indonesia. In your opinion, how important is it for students to learn English?